Now, when we go to safety and security, that's kind of the key ingredients of the TTTECH recipe, as I said earlier. So how do you see these standards evolving? And how do you see ISO 26262 and the different cybersecurity standards, Cybersecurity Act, all these things moving into your product? And what are like the major requirements that you have to adhere to? And how do you address this regulatory environment and this safety security?
I think this is not an option. We want to supply for our customers safety systems, which is their problem, also to provide safe machinery. So we are providing a building block. We are already adhering to these standards as they are important. They are existing. And as you mentioned, we have the architecture exactly designed like that we have those independent components on the product which can make safety critical decisions at any time and bring the system into a safe state. We have taken care that all the distribution of information is real-time capable, so we can always guarantee response times on the end-to-end side, which is also a crucial element of safety arguing when you have a moving part, for instance.
This is why the real-time element, we didn't talk so much about real-time, but we're talking about real-time systems, so the latency, the end-to-end jitter is very important.
And our system is a distributed architecture itself. We have, as you mentioned, we have the core computing element, which has high performance capabilities with all the accelerators. And we have the safety part as a separate chip on our board, and integrity is guaranteed in the interaction of these two components.
Yeah.